about 1.5 million years ago. The world was a dangerous place, nights were pitch black, the cold was merciless. And humans were not the rulers of nature, they were among its weakest. Predators hunted in the darkness. There were no walls, no shelters, no safe havens. Survival was a daily struggle, and then everything changed. Fire. At first, fire was pure terror. Lightning struck the earth. Forests burned, and destruction followed. Fire consumed everything in its path. But one day, humans understood something extraordinary. Fire was not only a force of destruction. In the right hands, it could become protection, warmth, power. Humans learned to keep fire alive, to carry it, and eventually, to control it. This was the first true victory over nature. With fire, the night lost its power. Darkness was no longer absolute. For the first time, humans stood awake while the world slept. Cold lands became livable. Unknown regions turned into homes. But the greatest change was still invisible. Cooking. A simple act, yet a revolution. Cooked food was safer, richer in energy, easier to digest, and that extra energy fed something new, the human mind. Scientists believe that the dramatic growth of the human brain began here, around the fire, around cooked food. Fire reshaped not just the body, but society itself. People gathered around the flames, not by chance, but by instinct. Fire meant safety. Around it, voices rose, stories were told, experiences were shared, language evolved, communication strengthened. Culture was born, dancing in the shadows of firelight. Imagine it. The first story ever told. The first plan for tomorrow. The first dream of something more. All beside a fire. For the first time, humans felt they were not alone. A sense of community emerged. This was the quiet, unbreakable step toward civilization. Today, we think fire is behind us, but it isn't. Power plants, engines, factories, all modern forms of the same ancient force. That first controlled flame, lit thousands of years ago, is still turning the world today. Before fire, humans tried to survive. After fire, they began to shape the world. That is why fire is not just a discovery. It is a turning point that changed the destiny of humanity. And perhaps most importantly of all, when humans learned to control fire, they learned to follow knowledge, not fear.